Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to import a CSV file into Excel. What exactly is a CSV file? A CSV file is simply a comma separated value file. Even before I proceed to demonstrate how to import a CSV file into Excel, I request all of you to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. As you can see here, this is an empty Excel spreadsheet that I have opened. I want to populate this with a CSV file. How do I import a CSV file into Excel? Let me first of all show you the CSV file which I want to import. So this is the CSV file which I want to import. The name of the file is employee data version 2. You can see here, there are two important observations that we need to make. What is the first observation? The first observation here is that the first row consists of the field names. I'll repeat, the first row consists of the field names. What are field names? They're simply the column headings like ID, gender, birth date, education level, job category of the employee. There are 10 such fields which make up the column heading. The actual data begins from the second row onwards. The second question that we have to ask ourselves is, which delimiter separates the two columns? As you can clearly see here, there is a comma delimiter which separates two columns. So between ID and gender, we have a comma. Between gender and birth date, we have a comma, so on and so forth. So I have a CSV file which is located in desktop. I want to import this particular file into Excel. So to import this particular file, let me firstly close this file. This will bring me to Excel spreadsheet. The first thing that you need to do to import a CSV file into Excel is click on the data menu bar. The data menu bar highlights different options. I'll choose the very first option, namely get data. The moment I click on get data, the different options that are present in this particular menu are displayed. I will choose the first option, from file. There are different options here. I can choose the second item from the file option. I'll repeat the step once again. First, go to the data menu, then click on get data, select the very first option, from data. And once you choose from file, you can see here, there is a panel. And from this panel, you can choose the option from CSV file. Let me click this particular option. This leads me to a new window. This is called as the import data window. I can specify the name of the file which I want to import, namely employee data version 2. Once I select the name of the file, all that I need to do is choose the option import. Once you click on import, what Excel does is it displays a preview of the file. You can see here, these are the 10 fields which I want to import along with the data that is being shown here. Excel has recognized that the delimiter that is present in the data set is a comma delimiter. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can see different options like colon, semicolon, space, or tab. I will choose the second option, namely comma. Once you're comfortable with the preview, all that you need to do is choose the option load. The moment you click on the option load, Excel loads the file into your Excel spreadsheet. As you can see here, by default, Excel also shows you a filter. Suppose you want to remove this particular filter. All that you can do is under the table design, make sure that you remove the option filter button. You can also remove the option banded rows here. And from the table styles, you can choose any of the styles, but I'll go with the first option, which is none. So this is the source file which I have successfully imported into Excel. So this is how simple it is to import a CSV file into Excel. With this, I have come to the end of today's video. I thank you very much for watching this particular video. In this video, we have seen how in a matter of few seconds, we can import any file into Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. I also request you to like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.